The automotive industry is changing. Customers want more choice. Manufacturers want faster market access. And dealers need smarter ways to move inventory. From financing and service to parts and resale, every stage can connect through one ecosystem. FameWheels is building the infrastructure that connects them all. FameWheels is building an integrated automotive transaction ecosystem connecting manufacturers, dealerships, vehicle suppliers, parts vendors, financial institutions, service providers, dealers, and consumers through one technology-driven platform. From vehicle discovery and inspections to live auctions, financing, sales, after-sales services, and resale. One ecosystem, multiple revenue opportunities. To automobile manufacturers and authorized dealership networks, join FameWheels. Use our auction technology and automotive infrastructure to create a structured channel for your used vehicles, trade-ins, and fleet inventory. FameWheels can provide technology, dealer dashboards, vehicle inspections, timed auctions and reporting, and end-to-end auction management. Your dealerships maintain control of their vehicles, reserve prices, and final commercial decisions. FameWheels provides the infrastructure to help you execute. One platform, one process, one standard.
But our vision goes beyond used vehicles. We invite international vehicle manufacturers, exporters, and suppliers looking to enter and grow in Pakistan and other markets.
Whether you manufacture passenger cars, SUVs, pickups, commercial vehicles, EVs, PHEVs, FameWheels can become your market access and distribution ecosystem. Together, we can explore product launches, drive digital sales and lead generation, support dealer development, and professional vehicle inspection. Partner with our financing and marketing, building the customer acquisition, and 3S infrastructure, sales, service, and spare parts. You bring the product. Together, we build the market. Join the FameWheels ecosystem. Parts, technology providers and aftermarket suppliers to join the FameWheels ecosystem. Tires, lubricants, components, accessories, workshop equipment, and automotive technology. Our objective is to connect reliable products with dealers, workshops, vehicle owners, and corporate customers through a trusted automotive platform. Our ambition is simple. Don't serve only one moment of the automotive transaction. Serve the complete vehicle lifecycle. From the first sale, to financing, to inspection, to maintenance, to parts, and ultimately to resale. Every transaction creates data, every service strengthens the ecosystem, and every partner gets an opportunity to grow with it.
To automotive manufacturers, international vehicle suppliers, authorized dealership groups, auto parts manufacturers, financial institutions, technology companies, and strategic investors, we invite you to collaborate with FameWheels.
Enter new markets, build distribution, move inventory, reach customers, develop 3S infrastructure, and participate in the next generation of automotive commerce. At FameWheels, we believe the future of automotive business is not about building isolated services. It is about building connected ecosystems. We want to work with the world's best manufacturers, suppliers, dealers, financial institutions, and automotive innovators. If you have the product, technology, capital, or distribution capability, let's explore what we can build together. Pakistan is our foundation. The opportunity is much bigger. Let's build the future of automotive commerce together. FameWheels One Platform, the complete automotive ecosystem. OEMs, vehicle suppliers, dealers. At FameWheels, we bring you the best, from auto parts and finance to auctions and inspections. Partner with FameWheels today.